What if I told you that you no longer need to jump between 5 different AI tools for realistic AI voiceovers, sound effects, and adding sound effects to your videos? Imagine doing everything inside one powerful platform. That platform is called FineVoice. FineVoice is more than just an AI voice generator. It's a complete AI-powered creative studio that lets you produce realistic human-like voiceovers, generate professional sound effects, and even add high-quality sound effects to your video, all in one place. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, TikTok content, podcasts, audiobooks, ads, or client projects, this tool is built to make professional audio production effortless and accessible. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use FineVoice. I'll walk you through the features, show you how to get the best results. Let's get started. Head over to FineVoice using the link in the description and create your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard homepage where you'll see powerful AI audio tools like text-to-speech, custom AI voice, and other creative features designed for content creators. The first feature we will be testing is text-to-speech. To create a realistic AI voiceover, click on Text-to-Speech. This will take you to the voice generation studio. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and easy to navigate, even if you've never used an AI voice generator before. Now let's create our first AI voiceover. Start by pasting your script into the text box. Next, choose your AI voice. FineVoice offers a wide range of realistic AI voices, including male and female options with different tones, accents, and styles. Take your time to preview different voices to find the one that best fits your content. After selecting your preferred voice, click on the settings option to customize it further. Here you can adjust important voice parameters like speed and pitch, allowing you to fine-tune the delivery to match your brand style or audience preference. This level of control helps your AI-generated voice sound even more natural and engaging. Once everything is set, click Generate, and within seconds, FineVoice's advanced AI voice technology will process your script and create a high-quality, human-like voiceover. Preview it.
Hey, quick question. Have you ever wondered how some videos go viral overnight while others barely get noticed? Today, I set and breaking down exactly what works, what doesn't set, and how you can use it starting today.
As you can hear, the AI-generated voice sounds incredibly realistic and clear. If you're satisfied with the result, simply download the audio file directly to your device. Now let's create another voiceover. I'll paste in a new script, but this time I'll select a female AI voice. After choosing the voice, click Generate, and again within seconds, the new AI voiceover is ready. Preview it.
Artificial intelligence is changing how content is created. From scripts and visuals to voiceovers and editing, creators now have tools that work faster and smarter than ever before.
You can hear the clarity, natural tone, and professional sound quality. This is what makes FineVoice stand out as an all-in-one AI voice generator for content creators who want studio-level audio without expensive equipment or complicated software. The next powerful feature we're going to test inside FineVoice is the AI Voice Changer, one of the most useful tools for creators who want to transform their existing audio into a completely different realistic AI voice. From the dashboard, click on AI Voice Changer, and you'll be taken to the voice transformation interface. Just like the text-to-speech tool, the layout is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. You have two options. You can either record your voice directly inside the platform and convert it into a different AI-generated voice, or you can upload an existing voiceover file that you want to transform. This is perfect if you already have recorded audio for YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, audiobooks, gaming content, or client projects, but want to change the tone, gender, or overall voice style. For this demo, I'm going to upload an existing voiceover. Once your audio file is uploaded, click on AI Voice, and you'll gain access to a wide library of realistic AI voices. You can preview each AI voice to find the perfect match for your content. After selecting the AI voice you want to convert your original recording into, simply click Generate. In just a few seconds, FineVoice's advanced AI voice-changing technology will process the file and transform your original voice into the new AI-powered voice you selected. Now let's preview the result.
Artificial intelligence is changing how content is created. From scripts and visuals to voiceovers and editing, creators now have tools that work faster and smarter than ever before.
As you can hear, the transformed voice sounds natural, clear, and high quality, not robotic or distorted. The next powerful feature we're going to test is AI sound effects, a game-changing tool for creators who want realistic, high-quality sound effects. From the dashboard, click on AI sound effects, and you'll be taken to the creation interface. Here, you'll see two options: text to sound effects and video to sound effects, both powered by advanced AI audio generation technology. Let's start with text to sound effects. In the text box, enter the sound effect you're looking for. For this tutorial, I'll use one of the inspiration prompts available, which is fast car engine revving loudly before speeding away. Next, choose the duration of the sound effect depending on how long you want the audio to be. Once everything is set, click Generate, and within seconds, FineVoice's AI sound effect generator creates a high-quality, realistic sound effect based on your description. Now let's preview it. As you can hear, the sound effect is incredibly realistic and matches exactly what we described. Now let's move on to the next feature, video to sound effects. This is where things get even more powerful for content creators. With video to sound effects, you can upload a video and let FineVoice automatically generate and sync realistic AI sound effects to match the visuals. Start by uploading the video you want to enhance. After uploading, describe what's happening in the video inside the description box. The more accurate your description, the better the AI can generate perfectly matched sound effects. Once you're done, click Generate, and in just seconds, FineVoice analyzes your video and creates AI-generated sound effects that sync with the action on screen. Let's preview the result. As you can see and hear, the sound effects are perfectly synchronized with the video, making the content feel more immersive, cinematic, and professional. Here's another example where I added AI-generated sound effects to a different video. Again, you can hear how the sound design is automatically synced and enhances the overall viewing experience. The last feature we're going to explore in FineVoice is AI voice cloning, one of the most advanced tools for content creators, podcasters, and voiceover artists who want to replicate a voice perfectly and naturally. Click on AI voice cloning and you'll see several options. The first is Instant Voice Clone, which clone your voice in just 30 seconds using only 10 seconds of audio. The next option is Professional Voice Clone, which preserves emotions, intonation, and nuances for high-quality, lifelike voice clones. And the last option is Upload Voice Model, which lets you create a completely custom AI voice model from scratch. For this demo, let's test Instant Voice Cloning. Click on it. Next, you either upload the voice you want to clone or record a short audio sample directly. Keep in mind, the optimal audio duration is around 30 seconds to get the best results. Once uploaded, you can preview the original voice.
Hello, I want to introduce you to FineVoice, one of the most powerful AI tools available right now for creators.
Then input a model name. Select your language, I'll go with English, and choose the gender. Once everything is set, click Start Cloning, and FineVoice's AI will process and create your voice clone in seconds. Now let's test it out. Click on the clone, then select text-to-speech, input a sentence or script you want your cloned voice to speak, and make sure the new AI voice clone is selected. Click Generate, and within seconds, FineVoice produces a highly realistic voiceover that perfectly replicates the original voice. Preview it.
Hello, how is your day going? I hope you are doing great.
As you can see, it sounds exactly like the voice we uploaded and flows naturally and realistically. With features like AI voice cloning, AI voice changer, AI sound effects, text-to-speech, and other features, FineVoice has quickly become one of the most powerful all-in-one AI platforms for creators, making professional quality content creation easier and faster than ever. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section.